Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a really fun, whimsical Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY for you. The first thing I'm going to do is cover one of the Dollar Tree wood hearts with some of their wallpaper. Now, this is my favorite design from them. I don't know why they stopped carrying this design, but it's a tropical palm leaf. But I think it would be really cute in whatever you could find to cover the heart. You could also paint it, use some scrapbook paper or whatever, but I love this blue with the tropical print, and luckily I have a stockpile of it. So I just peel and stick it to the heart, and then we're gonna start decorating it. The first thing I do is just kind of border frame it with some twine. You could use Dollar Tree rope for this if you didn't have any of this, but this is like the little bit thicker twine from Walmart, but you could always use the Dollar Tree one as well. It's just going to be a little bit thinner. And we have a fun base for our little flamingo heart. Now, I also went ahead and attached a hanger to it at that point. This project does kind of evolve a little bit though, you'll see. Now for the next step, the flamingos. I took one of their pink foam glitter hearts. It's a wall hanging, and I'm gonna cover it with their pink burlap ribbon. You can kind of see the sparkles a little bit through it. I was hoping that you couldn't, but it wasn't distracting enough to make me want to go back and paint it. So I just wrapped the entire heart with the pink ribbon. Now I thought it looked like two flamingos, with their noses together. So that is how I'm going to paint it to look. Once I have it all on there, I take some black paint. I'm using black chalk paint, but you could use acrylic as well, whatever you have. And you're going to paint the two little black beaks onto the flamingos. And they're going to be touching like that. Now, flamingos also have like a white part here. Different flamingos have different beaks, so you can kind of customize yours to however you like. But I kind of wanted to do a very traditional black and white one. So this is kind of an ivory or a white paint. Next, for the eyes, I decided to use some little wooden beads. You could also use, I guess, buttons for this. They're about the same size. I had some little half beads here that I'm just going to put on upside down. So I painted the back of them white, and I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie and put some little black eyes on these. Something simple. Flamingos don't have very big eyes. And then I hot glue that where I think that would be on their little faces. Now that I have that part complete, I can attach it to my background heart. So this was my palm leaf pattern. I guess you could kind of put this on any kind of background you wanted, but I kind of like the two different hearts together. That's when I decided I wanted this project to be a little bit bigger and more substantial. So I'm just going to use a sign that I got at the thrift store, and I'm going to use some more of that Dollar Tree removable wallpaper. This is like a board pattern that I did here. Just make sure you cut it right. I got mine a little bit short, but it's easy enough to fix, and it is just peel and stick to attach this to it. Probably should have measured, but in the end, you can't really tell. And then I decided to layer the hearts on top. It's a little big, so I glue it to the frame itself, but I kind of like that. It gives it more of a 3D effect, and this is how it turned out. I think it's really fun and whimsical for Valentine's Day.